Hi friends, just received my new digital high definition TV antenna. This is a nice model because it can be installed inside or outside, indoors or outdoors. It even comes with these tag wraps if you want to use them for installation, or different accessories for installation, screws, some double-sided tape, and it comes with a 36-feet cable, so you can use it if you are using it, like for example, in your RV or in your boat or whatever you are traveling. Even in your home, you can find the right place to put it because it has a lot of cable available. As you can see, it's nice. It looks nice indoors and outdoors. And the range will depend, of course, on the place where you put it. But well, it can give you a good receiving signal. As you can see, we install already the coaxial cable and the USB cable here, both of the antenna, and we put the antenna here in the window to test it, okay? And we are going to look for the channels. Let's do it. Auto scan channels. Perfect. Let's see how many channels we get. So there you have it. New channels with a nice look antenna. Thanks.